back, fam. We are back with the part 2 of the C8 build. So I'm going to go through some of the modifications I've done. Quite a bit, I would say upwards of 30,000-40,000 just in mods on this thing. When I bought it, it was white, completely stock. So we added the aero kit. We just recently did a wrap on it. We do have gold Rohanas, technically bronze, but I'll go ahead and show you guys kind of the build so far. Over at the front end, this is the ZR1 replica Street Hunter fully carbon hood. It is double-sided carbon. Fitment is pretty good. Little bit of issues with aligning it, but that's typical. Front splitter down here is an extended version that they actually sell all over. I believe I got it from Paragon. We do have the canards inspired by the Z06, much smaller than the Z06, but still definitely give the look from the front. If you look, gives that wide appearance. Let's take a look at the wheels. So on the wheels, we did a 2021 setup, bronze Rohanas. That's kind of the big factor on why I decided to wrap it satin, because the white, it looked good, but it didn't flow as nice as I think the satin black does. We have carbon fiber mirror caps. They're just overlays, as well as the boomerang on the side, gas cap, and then the side skirts are from EOS. If you guys have any questions with where I got these parts, I will leave in the description links, because kind of all over, but there are 3 main places that are reputable, and I can go ahead and disclose that for you guys. The back side here, guys, we've got a Z06 inspired wing, fully carbon, as well as a rear diffuser, fully carbon. And this really adds quite a bit. If you look, it pops out about 2.5 inches, so it adds so much more to the back. And this is fully carbon as well. Coming around, guys, to this side, if you notice, the car definitely sits lower than a stock C8, and I do have Paragon's lowering springs, so you could turn down the C8 about, I think it's 3/4 of an inch. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. Should be about a 3/4 inch drop on a stock suspension. Then you can grab the springs and it'll drop them about 2 full inches. So if you look, it is pretty low, but it does have the Z51 mag ride, as well as front lift, so really clearing in and out of places, it's not an issue. It has high flow cats, as well as a Corsa Extreme exhaust. No mufflers, no cats. If you look, my stock cats are back here. Crazy. So the engine just painted red, and then those right there, that's the thing that's gonna make it nice and loud, and your neighbors hate you. 2M fabrication, high flow cats, $600. Money well spent on something like that. For the competitors, or you're looking at like 3 grand. But what a difference it makes. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I will be uploading probably in the next couple days another video of the vet. We're going to be going to a meet here coming up on Sunday at Barrington, so we'll shoot again. Thanks.